what's up everyone? I am back with another video, and for you guys today I'll be eating a tuna roll and some tonkatsu. Woo! Let's go. They gave me a fork, so I'm just gonna dump the tuna roll, or I'm just gonna grab the tuna roll with my hands. Alright, put some soy sauce in it so it's a little soaked at the bottom. Here we go. Alright. Pretty good. Simple. I like it. Alright. Tonkatsu. I think this is like some sort of salad. Here we go. Yeah. That's good. Nice. Alright. Here we go. Sen tonkatsu. Here we go. Yo. Pretty good. It's giving me like a curry fish stick vibe. Nice. All right. This is my first time having tonkatsu, and I've always wanted to try it, so really happy that I got it out today. Yeah. It's not disappointing. It's really good. For sure. Alright. Here we go. Sushi roll. Or I mean tuna roll, my bad. Oh yeah. Tonkatsu. It's really good. I've been missing out, but not anymore. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna close out this video. Everything was already pretty tasty. I enjoyed it. I'll put the description down below so you guys can go check it out if you want to. And I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.